See me patch ya ba baby aye nyina ye nim atorencha eto eye abusuafo e wo Bogoso aha ye he Appiatse eye aha explosion bi e cause so a nipa wu yankasa ene ya ba Bogoso a ye ba be ye ejuma wa ha se, and I'm so glad say like oh my dear eye obi bi o contribute here. See when your apartment ni bi like the places are so nice aha nyina me try atremo, but here no eja ye ni Mr. Bogoso wa ha se a odi ye be film like everything that happened, and then there is this statue we want to know the whole story, I mean behind the statue. It's na de me Bogoso eye western region Appiatse representing and life and I'm about has it Mr. Bogoso me patcho a day when in memory of those who lost their lives. Okay, 20th January 2022. In memory. Tinipa 16 and a woman. Oh wow. Wow. It's the government let's see that way in our mouth. It's a year no year who say because what you say if no more die as some are having 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, chamber. It's and I said you would dine was city and this amount. Okay. Yeah, the go high into 2 bedrooms or single room and no they want to Hanka says the Kunanga Sani and the center of the town. It's all more in a monument okay, so let's quickly come here. You can see Obiana old journey. You could see so when they were just running for more life. This is a statue. It's like a symbol. What they went through was really sad. And then let's come here. We can see lifeless, no, and Ebida has said this is so sad. And then another one, journey like they were just running for their life. Just say it wasn't easy. They were just running for their lives. Now, a bad time. I have here a bad time. How many back? On an emba or free to entrance to may their soul rest in perfect peace. And it's like a tourist place that you can also visit to Bogoso Appiatse, like the sad thing now. Is anybody in the sea? Is it an explosion of fuel? No, a tanker, right?
Explosives.
Oh my goodness. And
exploded.
And this happened.
Yes.
Oh.
Obi contributing to this building,
this whole project,
but I have this girl number 15 months after
15 months.
I'm saying,
15 months, like 1 year, 3 months.
Yes.
And no film. Yamin for Munina crack and see. It's me patch out your wall. What was so Appiatse. And now the day in a way it's like government's now your idea. I say I could pour more money. So these are the people that contributed to and then members, some of the members listening. And then some of the contribution to it's here. Director is here. So pick one. So all of them, everybody that contributed, we have everybody here. And then so when you come here, 80 people. We constructed Appiatse. The township was commissioned by His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and assisted by Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Samuel Jinapo. Oh, okay. On this day, 2nd May 2024. 2 years later, nobody had the cafe. Nami ensure money now.
So no, residents will be have a problem at that one. New government have a power. So now so more complete almost school. This is more like now.
Everybody
is living comfortable.
Namisha Munina, I hire Appiatse, right?
Appiatse.
Bogoso, Western Reading. Sign out.